My name is Peter Amoako Yirenkyi from Ghana. I'm a researcher with the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Africa Map is a special type of volunteer computing or volunteer thinking project. Many of the time in volunteer computing, you ask the resources of the computers owned by volunteers to do some specific jobs for you. But there are times when it's difficult to actually ask computers to do some certain type of jobs. An example is looking for something specific in a map. And that's what Africa Map is about. Africa Map is about asking volunteers to use their own special time to do some volunteer work on the map, to look for roads, bridges, and certain specifics on the map. So that's what Africa Map is about. Africa Map has a special link with UNOSAT, which is a special agency for UNITA, and UNITA is the United Nations Institute for Training and Research. And what UNOSAT does is to provide information about maps, especially during crisis. And so the idea is to use volunteers to help UNOSAT make special maps, and out of this get some geospatial results and send back to these agencies who go to the ground to make these resolutions in these special areas. Yes. Take, for example, in a crisis zone where people are fighting over boundaries, what UN does is to go and mitigate. UN must have an information, already a pre-information that should tell the people that this is the boundary. So those who are on the left stay on the left, and those who are on the right stay on the right. This is not done by maps. In a crisis area where there is a health issue, you need to find out which are the prone areas where the disease is. Where there is a flood, you need to be able to measure the flood from the spatial point of view. And when you have the satellite image, you need to identify these objects on the image, and that's actually called mapping. So mapping generally means that identifying objects on a satellite imagery that are located in a particular place.